Hi, I'm Allison Williford at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center today to talk about Hansgrohe. One of the great products that we're really known for is our iBox rough valve. What that is the first universal showering valve that goes in the wall behind these shower fixtures here. It was the first product that was really introduced that allow you to put one valve in the wall, and then you can come back and select which shower trim you want later. We offer single and dual function pressure balance trims, along with single and dual function thermostatic trims that all work up one shower valve. So this is one of the best pieces that I love about it is if something were ever to fail, you're not going to have running water inside your wall. You're actually going to see on the bottom side of these shower trims, there's a small opening called a weep hole right here, and water would drip on the front of your tile. So you would notice it very quickly and also eliminate any water damage that would potentially happen inside your wall. If you'd like to experience Hansgrohe products for yourself, please visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, Costa Mesa, Calabasas, or Studio City.